when we're talking about massive coolers, right? We have the NOCTUA NH-D15 chromax.black, the second in line, well, basically second in line when it comes to my videos from chromax.black series, because we did the NHL9i for Intel socket. This one is basically a huge one. We have the chromax.black design, we have the PWM support and low noise adapter, excellent component cooling. When it comes to size, 140 x 150 x 25, the fan of course, which is the NFA15 HS PWM fan. Maximum rotational speed is 1500 RPMs plus minus 10%. Max rotational speed with LNA is 1200 RPMs. You get maximum airflow 140.2 cubic meter per hour, and with the LNA is 115.5 cubic meter per hour. Maximum acoustical noise, now this is 24.6 decibels, and the maximum noise with LNA is 19.2 decibels. Imagine that. Talking about the fan's lifespan, mean time to failure is 150,000 hours, which is a lot. Now talking about the dimensions of the heatsink, maximum height, well, the height is 165, the width is 150, and the depth is 161. The weight of the heatsink is 980 grams, and with two additional fans is 1 kilo and 320 grams. Talking about the material, we have copper, aluminum, nickel plated, but we can talk about the specs all day long. Let's open the box, talk about what we have and how the package looks like. You know, I mention always that NOCTUA has premium packaging. Now let's check it out inside this big cooler. The accessory box content is basically almost the same as usual, but we have two LNA cables, you have one Y splitter, you have the NOCTUA badge, you have the holders for your fans, you have the thermal paste, you have locking nuts, you have locking mechanism, you have instruction manual for socket 20XX, for 115X, and for AMD, and you have the standoffs as well as the screwdriver here that is long enough to access through the heatsink directly down below to the motherboard part. That's it when it comes to accessory box. Let's check out the other stuff. So we have here the cooler, which is in a box, and we have one NFA15, and that's basically it. End of story. No, just kidding. We have the cooler right here inside this box because it's already attached. And here we go. This is it, guys. The cooler is attached to one side of the heatsink because you have two sides of the heatsink. They look, I think they are the same dimensions, and you have 2, 4, 6 on each side going directly down below to the copper aluminum base. As I said, one is already attached, you need to attach the other one. Now with this test for NOCTUA NH-D15 chromax.black, I had to go with a bit bigger case just because the front fan does kind of go in a way with rams, so you do need to go with low profile rams. As you can see, now you have loads of space, and it does cover the rams, so you don't need RGB rams. No need, because they're not seen. So basically I use HyperX Fury 4x8 gigs in this build with the Ryzen 7 3700X, and the results are amazing as always with NOCTUA. So 67 degrees in heavy loader on full load for 35 minutes, which is just incredible. The NH-D15 does look really stealth with the complete black design, as you can see, and I have nothing to say against it. I mean, it looks brilliant. It has 6 heat pipes going through the heatsink down to the core of the processor, well, to the cold plate, and does the job really amazing. I mean, 3700X is an 8-core 16-thread processor which can really pack a punch and does need a great cooling. If you're not into liquid cooling, doing AIOs or custom loops, I think NOCTUA NH-D15 is definitely a way to go. And if you still don't prefer their colors, the standard brown ones, there's chromax.black always, so they did something really cool with this design, just because it gives you more diversity with colors. So if you like the standard colors and if you really enjoy the NOCTUA whole around brown color scheme, then you can go with that. But here you have a complete black stealth one, and that's about it. Now, when it comes to the accessory box, you get loads of cool stuff here, and the mounting is really easy, even when you have to mount the fans afterwards. So basically, you first place the passive cooler, and after that you place both fans with a splitter, and you even have an instruction how to use the LNA, the low noise adapter, to get lower speeds with it. So guys, this is it. There's nothing left to say except for one thing, and that is that I think that NOCTUA NH-D15 chromax.black deserves a premium PC Crazy badge just for its performance, quality, design, and all-around specifications. Especially when you get premium box, you get premium secure firm 2 mounting system, premium thermal paste. Basically, that's why the premium badge is well deserved by the NOCTUA NH-D15. I'll put the links below for you guys to check it out and to see the prices, of course, and where to buy. And that'll be all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in another one. Bye bye.